Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining us. It's nice to see you all again. It's been about 3 weeks since we've been out. 3 weeks?
3 weeks, yeah. I'd say, yeah.
We've been, over the holidays, we didn't have the best of luck with health. We weren't feeling well. So we took this opportunity today to just get out, stretch the legs, see some trail, see some new clear cut.
Oh, wow.
Wow. We're just heading to Chehalis Lake today. We're just going to have a fire. We're going to do a little cook. But the cool part of this video is a subscriber reached out to us over the holidays. When did you get it, actually? Because you answered the email. Not that long ago.
One day last week.
Yeah, one day last week. And was asking some questions about the truck and PSI that we run and stuff like that. And so we're talking back and forth, and he said he would like to get out and have a hot dog with us. So we were like, we're heading out this weekend. Would you like to just join us for a fire? And he said, absolutely. So it's Tom and his friend Jane are joining. They're behind us right now. And we're going to head to Chehalis, have a fire, just chat, and have a good time. So we will see you guys in a bit.
Well, it would appear we found the 13% chance of rain.
Yep. Well, if anyone was going to find the 13% chance of rain, considering our record this year, it'd be us.
Exactly.
It's foggy.
It is very foggy. Looks cool, though. It's been a while since we've been on this road.
It's been a long time, actually. How long would you say?
Summer.
No, your birthday.
Really? Oh, look in front.
You know what, it's been, I know we said it's been a long time since we've been up here, but holy clear cutting, eh?
Yeah, there's been a lot going on.
It's not just me, right? Like,
No, it definitely looks like they've been working hard up here.
so being that it's been a while since we've been out, I planned on having a whole ton of drone shots. And we were only supposed to have, what, 11% chance of rain today?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we found the 11%.
We found it. 13%.
13%?
I think so.
All right. It doesn't matter. We found it.
Doesn't matter.
Just enough that I can't even throw the drone up, which is horrible.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice scene right there.
That was
You know what? I'm
beautiful.
going to get that. I'm going to get that.
All right. So we just pulled over because we just saw this massive amount of clear cutting, and we just had to take a look. This is absolutely crazy how many trees they're cutting down. It's insane, the road. Looks like it continues. Oh no, that goes back to the road. But if you look behind, you can see it goes all the way down. Oh my goodness. So many trees coming down. This is crazy. so much beauty here. And so much sadness at the same time.
Just to be clear, we are not anti-logging. We'd be naive to think in a world the size of ours that we don't use natural resources. It was just a real shock that we came across this after just last year going through and it was fully treed. With that being said, passing by this new cut with such easy access right from the road, we just had to check it out. Curiosity more than anything. Well guys, that was interesting to see how this process works. It was kind of cool to walk through and explore this place. But enough spinning around. You see what I did there? I'm here all week, guys. Let's head off to our final destination. I always like this part. Like it's just, this part is like super relaxing. When you have the trees and on you. It's like those ditches they dug are like all washed away. Like they washed stuff into them.
You definitely are, basically non-existent unless they're a little bumpy.
There we go. Little bumpy.
A little bumpier.
That'll keep the Civics out.
The water's really calm.
I know, it's like glass.
It's pretty today. Oh, we got a couple people. One camp set up. Such a pretty spot.
Yeah, too bad showing weekends.
Yep. And summer.
Summer too, yeah.
I guess it's just one of those spots that became too well known and popular.
Well, it's a four-wheel drive spot, right?
Yep.
Or four-wheel drive association. Right, Gary, so.
That is gorgeous. Look at the waterfall across.
Oh, wow. Nice.
So you can get the drone over there.
Oh, I can definitely get
So pretty.
If we stay here like this, it's the only place where I wanna be. This is as long as we go. The only crossfire. It's the only place where I wanna be.
So we came down. Thought we'd pick this spot. However, our guests did not follow us behind. Walter's going to go see if everything's okay. Meanwhile, I'll wait down here. Oh, goodness. Let's go take a look at the lake. God, it is beautiful. So still. It seems like every time we come here, we have fog or cloud. Can't remember. I mean, obviously we've been here when it's been clear sunny days, but I kind of like the look when it's like this. So beautiful. I know I keep saying that, but it truly is very, very beautiful. Look at this. Stunning. So this would be a perfect time for me to ask all of you amazing, wonderful people to go down below. Please hit that sub button, give us a like, a comment, We really, really do appreciate you watching and taking the time. We are looking to grow our channel some more. We are so stoked we reached the 1,000, but give us a hand to get up there a little bit more. Oh, do I see them? Let's go see. Oh, there's green. Oh, there they are. Thank goodness everything's okay. Let's get a fire going. We're gonna do a cook today. This is gonna be great.
With a single speed transfer case, and there was some wrong. Yeah. That, and the truck top got a bit on the side, and it seemed as if the back wheel locked completely.
Hey guys, so Tom and Jane just left. We had a great time with them. They have amazing stories, and it was a fun afternoon. We're just gonna let this fire die down, and then we're gonna head home because why?
Well, it would appear that someone on our last trip left the cook stove adapter?
No, the propane.
The propane adapter separate from the cook stove.
Yeah, so normally I put the propane adapter in the cook stove, but I guess when we're wrapping up, Joanne put it in the utility bin, you said?
Yeah, it's in the utility bin.
So we could not do our cook, which is, hey, it is what it is. You can't wreck a good day.
No, it was a great day still.
Now we know what we're having for dinner.
And you probably won't see it.
Yeah, probably not. But guys, we want to thank you for following along. We love all you guys. And until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and
Find your moments.
see you guys.
Bye.